is 12440. Hi. This is 20457 X88836. How you doing? I'm just trying to walk by, sir. That's okay. I didn't want you to think I was getting behind you or nothing. Thank you. And then here we got 19421. I didn't know. Okay, I'll sit right here.
And there's stuff that can fall out.
Okay. Okay. I'll sit here and wait for you.
Yes.
I sure will. How you doing?
You can't record as a mall, private property.
Is that your is that a policy here? Generally, a mall is considered a little bit. I know it's private, and I will start recording if that's not what you need to do. Generally, a mall is kind of considered, especially in the common areas, a little bit more public in some places. And I'm not sure yet, but I do believe it.
Yeah, as a whole, it's a private mall.
I know it is. I know it is, but it's yeah, of course it is. You're probably talking about the stuff. But I do believe that, especially like in the courtyards and stuff, that it has a, you know, but I don't know in fact, so I can't speak on that. But what about if I just want to video, like myself, shopping? Yourself is fine. Sure. Okay. I mean, how do you know which one my camera is? So if I'm videoing myself, like just vlogging, that's fine with you?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure the rules on that part.
Right, because I know, I mean, I've been here, for years, I've been the elevators right here, wherever it is, the escalators, I mean, it's beautiful in here. I've got tons of videos I've took here just for entertainment. Yeah, earlier I was outside doing the police, but, you know, I'm coming here to shop. I done told her I'm not going to record no more.
You disrupted our business by disrupting the police's business. Because you disrupted business on private property.
Can I speak with you for just a minute?
You violated our rules for videotaping.
I didn't know your rules. She asked me, can I speak with you for 1 minute? Can I just speak to you for 1 second, sir? She asked me to quit recording. I immediately quit recording.
You're recording now.
Because you're talking to me, you're addressing me, you're trying to order me to something.
Yeah, you're recording a police officer and he was
I don't answer questions. You're addressing me, you're trying to order me to something.
Yeah, you're recording a police officer and he was outside of you.
I don't answer questions.
So we're going to leave. We're going to ask.
Okay, well, my husband's
Not like private property. Your house, you have your policy, you walk away.
people know the rules before you come to my house. You need to put the rules up here.
Now you know the rules when you come to our house.
No, I don't.
Right. Officer, this lady here is going to be
I'm leaving.
trespassed.
I'm waiting on my husband to come out. We will leave this property.
They don't have to have you wait. If they issue a trespass, you have to leave immediately or you go to jail. It's private property.
At this point, you're trespassed for 18 months.
Let me put this, no, I'll never come back to it. You don't have to worry about
They're
that.
issuing a trespass for 18 months. If you come back to the property, including the parking lot, you'll be arrested within 18 months.
Can you please send my husband outside?
He's coming out.
He's coming out.
Thank you, okay? And I will leave right now. And you don't ever have to worry about me shopping here ever again. And please, for others, so please, if you don't want me recorded, please post it. Or put it online at least. So people can know the
Well, you were
rules.
notified, but you're still
And
doing
I
it, so
stopped it when she told me
you're
I
still
didn't
doing
know.
it now.
I didn't get it back on until he came out, sir.
But you're on private property filming against the rules.
Because y'all are approaching me now. Now it's
No,
like,
nobody's
now
approaching
it's
you.
my- I know,
Nobody's approaching you.
personal protection.
It's not. You're on private property. There's plenty of cameras.
I don't want
We'll wait for the husband.
I don't know who that is. I have no idea. But they saw her filming out here, filming the top cars, which is against their policy to film on private property. So they requested our assistance to stand here while they issue trespass.
Okay.
And her husband's inside, and she's asking for him. So.
Is that her husband?
Yes. Did you issue trespass to him? They were issued trespasses for 18 months. Do you understand that? Just her? Or? Okay, all right. That's your wife?
All right, so
She was trespassed from the property.
Why?
That's your wife? For filming. They don't allow filming on private property in here.
Okay.
Because all the stores of people and anonymity
Right,
and
I
this thing,
understand that.
copyright invasions.
Okay.
So they asked her to stop. She didn't stop, so they issued her trespass. So she can't come back to the property, including the parking lot. The parking lot is private property.
Okay.
You can't film on private property if they don't want you to.
Okay.
So she was issued a trespass for 18 months. So if she comes back to the property within 18 months, she'll be arrested for trespass. So you guys are okay. Y'all set.
Okay.
But you know, they asked her to stop. She didn't stop, so they trespassed her. You know, it's the rules.
I
you know.
understand, sir.
Yeah.
Can you tell me where the Apple store is? Or?
Apple?
yeah.
Yeah.
I thought so.
Why?
I think she's
no.
calling you though. Your wife wanted
Yeah,
to
no,
leave
she
it
needs
up.
you to go. She's asking you to leave.
I'll show you. I'll show you where it's at.